Welcome back to Home Garden Inspiration, your ultimate destination for creative outdoor ideas and season landscaping tips. Today we are transforming a quiet outdoor corner into a magical wonderland with Festive Garden Landscaping featuring a living Christmas tree, warm fairy lights, and charming animal figurine elements. You will discover how simple potted plants, sparkling lights, and playful accents can elevate your curb appeal with minimal effort. Before we begin, please take a moment to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a fresh design idea. Selecting a healthy living potted tree serves as the focal anchor for your festive outdoor garden landscaping. Look for sturdy conifers like blue spruce or Norfolk Island pine that can thrive outdoors in container arrangements. Position the tree near a prominent corner to complement the partial home facade visible in the background. Placing the container firmly on level ground ensures stability throughout the winter weather while maintaining a balanced visual presentation. Using a potted living tree allows you to celebrate the holiday season sustainably without cutting down fresh timber. Decorate the sturdy container with burlap wrap or decorative stone urns to match your overall garden aesthetic. Ensure proper drainage holes exist in the pot so winter rainfall does not saturate the root system. This living centerpiece sets a vibrant green backdrop that instantly elevates the surrounding outdoor landscape layout. Proper placement near a structural border, like a partial garden fence, creates depth and frames the entire scene. Consider the viewing angles from both your driveway and indoor windows when positioning this main tree container. Elevating the pot slightly on a wooden riser adds subtle height and protects surrounding pavement surfaces from moisture. With the central tree perfectly situated, your holiday garden layout gains an inviting focal point for further decoration. Surrounding the main living tree with smaller potted plants creates a rich, layered composition with varying heights. Incorporate vibrant seasonal bloomers such as poinsettias, cyclamens, and winter pansies to introduce cheerful pops of color. Group these smaller containers in odd numbers around the main pot base to establish an organic flow. This tiered container layout bridges the gap between the taller pine and the low garden floor seamlessly. Mix in contrasting foliage textures like silver dusty miller alongside deep green ivy adds dynamic visual depth. Clay pots and terracotta containers add rustic charm while maintaining a cohesive natural color palette throughout the space. Tuck small evergreen shrubs between flowering plants to keep the arrangements looking full and lush from all angles. The partial garden fence backdrop offers a lovely neutral backdrop that makes these colorful plant groupings truly pop. Varying the height of smaller pots using hidden bricks or garden pedestals gives the display a professionally designed look. Ensure light-loving flowering varieties receive adequate sunlight relative to the shadow caused by the main tree. Water each potted plant individually to accommodate the unique moisture requirements of different floral species. Once the plant base is established, the scene becomes a thriving tapestry of seasonal greenery ready for detail work. Adding weather-resistant animal figurines introduces an enchanting woodland story directly beneath your living Christmas tree. Ceramic or resin deer, foxes, rabbits, and owls fit naturally among the potted greenery and pine branches. Nestling gentle figurine shapes into the base foliage makes them appear as if they are resting within a forest clearing. Scale matters greatly here, so select animal figures that match the proportion and size of your potted plants. Grouping a mother deer and fawn figurine together creates a heartwarming focal point that draws immediate viewer attention. Place smaller woodland creatures near the front edges of flower pots to encourage close visual exploration. Ensure all figurines are securely weighted so winter winds do not tip them over during stormy weather. These playful decorative elements bring a sense of life and storybook magic to the quiet garden setting. Concealing figurine bases partially under low-hanging leaves creates a realistic effect of animals emerging from nature. Reflective eyes or soft-painted finishes on the figures capture outdoor light beautifully during daytime hours. Position key animal elements near the partial home facade to connect the garden display with architectural features. This thoughtful placement transforms basic container gardening into a captivating holiday narrative scene for visitors. Fairy lights are essential for turning your festive garden into a glowing nighttime sanctuary full of holiday warmth. Choose outdoor-rated LED string lights with delicate warm white bulbs to avoid harsh glare against foliage. Gently wrap the light strands starting from the inner trunk of the living tree outward along main branches. Distributing lights evenly ensures your potted tree shines brilliantly from every angle after sunset arrives. Extend fairy light strands downward into the surrounding cluster of smaller pots and flowering plant containers. Weave fine wire copper fairy lights around animal figurines to illuminate their subtle features during evening hours. String additional lights along the partial garden fence or wall to define the background border with ambient glow. The interplay of soft light and shadows highlights plant textures while creating an inviting twilight atmosphere. Utilize outdoor waterproof battery boxes or low-voltage extension cords tucked discreetly behind plant containers for safety. Solar-powered fairy light options offer an energy-efficient alternative that automatically illuminates as dusk approaches each evening. Timer plugs can automate your lighting schedule so your home garden stays brightly lit during peak evening hours. The delicate sparkling light effect transforms the entire yard into an enchanting holiday destination after dark. Combining living foliage with carefully chosen holiday decor accentuates the Christmas theme across your landscape layout. Tuck pine cones, fall red berries, and cedar sprigs into open gaps between potted plant arrangements for density. Weatherproof ribbon bows tied around container rims add classic festive charm to the overall grid design. These accent pieces reinforce the holiday motif, while filling any sparse areas around the main potted tree. Natural wooden slices placed under plant containers serve as rustic coasters while raising low pots of cold stone. Scatter pine bark, mulch across exposed soil in pots to hide ugly potting mix and retain root moisture. Incorporating metallic ornaments like copper or muted gold balls adds subtle sparkle without overpowering natural plant beauty. Position accent pieces so they bridge the transition between the partial home facade and the outdoor garden beds. Keep decorative accents proportional so they complement rather than crowd your living plants and animal figurines. Use neutral tones and natural materials to preserve a sophisticated garden aesthetic rather than a cluttered look. Secure lightweight ornaments with floral wire so unexpected winter gusts do not dislodge your hard work. The resulting harmony of live plants and festive accents yields a polished, magazine-worthy outdoor holiday display. Vertical surfaces like partial garden fences and masonry walls provide prime space for extending your festive landscaping upward. Hang fresh vine garlands or evergreen wreaths embellished with red berries directly onto fence posts for immediate impact. Soften hard wall surfaces by mounting small wall pocket planters filled with cascading ivy and winter blooms. This vertical greenery ties the ground level potted display into the surrounding structural backdrop seamlessly. Weaving fairy lights through fence garlands mirrors the illumination wrapped around your central living Christmas tree. Mounting wall decor at eye level draws the viewer's gaze upward and creates a sense of spatial volume. Choose sturdy hooks or non-damaging outdoor ties to secure heavy reeds safely against garden walls and fences. The enhanced vertical backdrop frames your animal figurines and potted tree within a beautifully enclosed garden sanctuary. Contrast dark green fence garlands with lighter painted wood or brick surfaces for maximum visual clarity and depth. Spraying garlands with a light mist of water keeps natural evergreen boughs looking fresh and aromatic longer outdoors. Add small hanging lanterns along fence posts to cast warm downward light onto your ground level plant arrangements. Utilizing vertical garden space completes the festive environment, making the entire yard feel cozy and unified. Achieving a professional garden layout relies on balancing contrasting plant textures and harmonious color combinations throughout. Pair the coarse needles of your living pine tree with the soft velvety leaves of flowering winter plants. Balance bright red seasonal flowers with muted silver foliage and deep green evergreen accents across the ground's composition. This thoughtful contrast prevents visual monotony and keeps the garden display engaging from every viewpoint. Lighting temperature plays a crucial role in highlighting your plant collection and decorative animal figurine placements. Warm white lights enhance deep greens and earthy terracotta tones, creating an inviting atmosphere around the partial facade. Position accent lights low to cast dramatic upward shadows across fence boards and tree foliage for night impact. Stepping back to evaluate your design from a distance helps identify any dark spots or unbalanced color clusters. Adjusting plant positions slightly can dramatically improve spatial harmony and balance the overall composition of your garden. Maintain clear pathways in front of the display so guests can admire animal figurines and details up close. Cohesive color schemes bridging greenery, lights, and figurines yield an elegant festive sanctuary that delights all season long. Visual balance ensures that no single element overpowers the quiet beauty of your living outdoor Christmas tree. Maintaining your living potted Christmas tree requires consistent hydration without oversaturating the container soil during cold weather. Monitor winter levels regularly since cold wind can dry out potted evergreen roots faster than expected. deadhead faded flowers on smaller seasonal pots to encourage continuous blooming across the holiday weeks. Proper care ensures your festive garden landscape remains vibrant and healthy from early December through the new year. Wipe down animal figurines periodically with a damp cloth to clear away dust, soil splashes, and fallen pine needles. Check fairy light connections and battery packs routinely to ensure safe, uninterrupted evening illumination for your home. Protect tender flowering potted plants during extreme frost by moving them temporarily closer to the partial home facade. Regular maintenance preserves the pristine beauty of your hard work, so your yard stays inviting all season long. Creating a festive garden landscape with living trees and charming decor is a joyful way to welcome the holidays outdoors. We hope these holiday landscaping tips inspire you to transform your home garden into a magical winter haven. Please drop a comment below, like this video, share it with fellow plant lovers, and subscribe to Home Garden Inspiration for more design ideas. Thank you so much for watching, happy gardening, and we wish you a wonderful festive season until next time.